Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we are covering the Excel series, today I'm going to cover regarding more about like structure of the Excel workbook. So let's get started. And this is how the Excel workbook looks like. And as we covered, this is how the Excel sheets are. We could add a number of sheets, and you could see over here we can rename it as sheet 1, or if you want page 1, you can rename it page 2, or you can do this to page 3, so on. You can add the sheets, and this is how the Excel sheets looks like. These are the, let's see, you explain you in the depth regarding this, but mostly covering up with this beautiful art. Let's see, this is all is completely, this is columns, and this is all about is rows. So overall you can see over here, and if I do over here, this is how workbook looks like. If I click over here, and you could see this is A20, this is like A is the column and 20 is the row which I am right now in the position of. And if I do click on C, this is C3, and if I click on H, this is H9. You could see over here H9 is looking over here, the bar. So location will we could able to see how this is looks like the workbook, and you can work on it. And if you do right click, we have the number of options on the work of like cutting off, pasting, copying, and smart lookup, insert, delete, and clear content, and so on, and links to. Further, I will be covering this complete topics, and this is just the demo on like topic like basic how this worksheet looks like, and what is rows and what is column in the Excel, and how you can do it. And the next topic will be like how you will be saying the Excel sheet and so on. And that's it guys in the section, and hope you got it like overview of Excel sheet. It consists of rows and columns, and you can add the sheets, and it consists of like n number of options. Like you have over here calibri is like type of language, you have the type of you can see over here, this is like size of it, this is like calibri language type you want, theme, and you could see all over here bold, italic, and colorful things you want to do. If I do over here page 1, if I enter over here, and if I click it, it will be red, the complete sentence or the word will be in red in the cell. If you don't want that, and if you want complete cell to be normally, if you want that, you click on, and you can just add this one. That's it. This is what complete covers the cell or pages and each and everything what you select of. So that's it guys, hope you got the worksheet regarding the structure of worksheet of Excel. If you have any questions regarding this, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye, take care.